Hi, Georgie G Deyn here. Welcome to this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a channeled message. The message was channeled on the 8th of April 2020 over Skype to my friend Sarah, and she transcribed the message. The message is from a Unity Consciousness Collective. So I'm going to read it out to you. There are some references to a particular song. The song is called Breathe, and it's on the album Peace Starts With You. So I'm going to play that song at the end, so hopefully it will make sense. So in this video I'm going to read out the channeled message, and then we're going to practice together the meditation, the mantra meditation that they gave us to work with. And there may well be some light language, light transmissions, anchoring in this concept, this vibration, this essence of I am oneness, I am. Okay, so enjoy. Welcome. It is imperative that the source of your knowledge and truth comes from within. Your sense of truth is integral to your development. For we wish to invite our channel and those who work with her to step into a portal of unity consciousness, a consciousness with peace, love and harmony leading to oneness. This is the source that will set your minds free. To quote the song, we shall indeed be referencing the words of her songs. For when our channel wrote the lyrics, they were indeed messages from the unity consciousness, a divine voice that transcends all judgments, all fear, all separation. The pure presence of a divine voice will at its core be unifying. Now it is vital you take time to quote one part of the song. Take time to breathe. Let us work with an exercise, a mantra, a breath meditation. I am oneness, I am. And we shall invite you as you breathe up and out through your crown, I am oneness, and then breathing in and down through your crown, I am. Questions, my dear, and we ask they be related to this session. And then Sarah asked, is this message in response to the current times? So current times being the COVID, the 5G, the isolation, everything that's going on right now. And their answer, this is in response to the present time and future time and all time. Some may say that this current time will lead to a unity consciousness and an understanding of the importance of coming together in oneness around the globe, the world. You may notice it within your communities, some communities that have been deficient are now coming together, unifying to help one another. There is now a resurgence of this mentality. This is the first layer. The layers will continue to grow. Towns, countries, continents, a global movement. Coming together as one. This takes time. This will take conscious effort and expanding consciousness from those who seek and see this as a reality. Those who seek peace on earth, those who seek love. It is feasible. It is possible. The portal to this consciousness is within you, within your heart. Some may find it instantaneously by breathing. Others may seek to see the portal as an internal space within. Others will hear the call, an internal call, an internal orchestra of music within. Some will be guided, some may seek, others will find. Yourself and our channel have indeed found the chamber within and found the treasure that awaits, an inner light that knows nothing other than unity and oneness, peace and love. Allowing this portal to be the existence of where you reside will indeed take patience, commitment, trust. Are you ready for the ride, dear ones? To ride the wave of unity and oneness? So I'm eternally grateful to my dear friend Sarah for working with me and typing up the notes that she takes when we work together and we sit for the greater good. So what we're going to do now is we are going to practice the mantra breath. I am oneness, I am. So you can start by just having a breath in, and then as you breathe out, you're breathing out and up. I am oneness. And then as you breathe in, you're breathing in and down. I am. I am oneness. I am. I am oneness. I am. I am oneness. I am. We're going to do it in silence, and we're going to do it in our mind. And if your mind wanders, if you lose the mantra, don't worry, just keep the breath going simply by listening and taking part in this video with me now. You're connecting in. So I am oneness. I am. Then just bring your attention back to how you feel, to my voice. Just notice how you feel around your crown, around your heart, around your base chakra, your seated area. And know that I am oneness, I am is within you, and around you. And we're going to take that I am oneness, I am down the body, down the legs, down into your feet, down deep, deep into the core of Mother Earth. And here you're going to connect to two beautiful diamonds. Connect your light to the diamonds, wrapping your light around the diamonds, anchoring I am oneness, I am, your unity, vibration, your oneness vibration down into the core of Mother Earth. And taking your attention back once more to your heart center, breathing it out now, up, up, out to the celestial realms, free from time and space. And here there is a diamond grid of light. You have a diamond light, a star that shines up within this diamond grid. Everybody does. And you can read more about that. I'll talk about that at the end, but for now, know that you are connected to the diamond light grid above, the diamond light within, or the angel within, and the diamond light underneath your feet. Feel yourself now expanding this light out and feeling a sense of being within your own diamond. Yet connected to the other diamonds and the other diamond lights, stars, grid above and below. Now just stay in this space now. I believe I'm going to be transmitting some light, some codes of light through the language of light, and light, rather like a tuning fork, tuning in. We're all tuning in together in harmony. Ia narashia naratisi I. Ia narashia naratisi. Ia narashia narati. Ala narashia naratisi I. Ia naratisi. Ia narashia naratisi I. Ola narata. Aya narata. Ia naratata. Ola narashia naratatata. Aya naratita. Aya naratata. Aya naratisi. Aya narashia. Ola narati. Ia narashia. Oya naratisi I. Oyanarati. peace, love and unity. In your hearts and minds be free. Blessings to everybody who has listened into this video. I'm going to play the Breathe track from the album Peace Starts With You. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the YouTube if you want notifications. I'm going to be sending out more light transmissions. And also please go and visit my current website, angelichaharmonytherapy.com. Lots and lots of love to you.
Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy and breathe. Set your mind free, set your mind free, set your mind free and be. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy and breathe. Set your mind free, set your mind free, set your mind free and be. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy and breathe. Set your mind free, set your mind free, set your mind free and be. Dun dun da dun da dun do dun da da da. Bum do dun do dun do dun da da. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy and breathe. Set your mind free, set your mind free, set your mind free and be. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy and breathe. Set your mind free, set your mind free, set your mind free and be. Take it easy, take it easy. Set your mind